Morning guys, I've been asked to share a little bit more information about my Christmas wreath. I was lucky enough to see this little beauty in the Woolworths cookie magazine, which is free at the Woolworths supermarket. All you have to do is get a little bit of salami, fold it into quarters, put a toothpick through it. If you want, you can put a little bit of pesto in the middle. And then I've just lined up all my boxes of cheese. I've got some feta here. I've just marinated that with a little bit of pesto. I've got some beautiful cherry tomatoes over here, some rosemary from my garden, some basil from my garden. And basically, I've just put all the salami in quarters, put a toothpick through it. And this is like the 1960s little, I guess, gathering platter. So I'm really liking the way that's come out. So thanks, Woolworths, for making this happen for my family on Christmas Day. I've got green olives, I've got cherry tomatoes, I've got pickled onions, basil, rosemary, and all the beautiful things. You can put anything you like in there, and that basil and rosemary just gives it that real wreath feeling. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this, and you'll put one together for your family for next Christmas. If you enjoyed it, please like and share, and I'll be making you some more videos real soon. Have a great day. Happy New Year, guys. Bye.